Hi everyone and welcome to Maths tutorial sessions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a quadratic formula. That is what I just want us to do today. How to apply a quadratic formula. This is a quadratic formula. X is equals to negative b plus or minus roots b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Right. You need to understand one thing. You can be given a problem where it is a standard equation, like, for example, x squared plus 5x plus 1 is equals to 0. This is a standard equation which is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic equation, so it's easy for you to substitute the values of a, b, and c in that quadratic equation. And also, you need to understand that you might be given an equation like this: 3x squared minus 2x is equals to 4. So if you are given an equation like this, it is your job to make sure that you write that particular equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So I just want us to solve the two following equations using the quadratic formula. Right. Right, now let us solve the first one, which is x squared plus 5x plus 1 is equals to 0. Here it's very easy. You just need to write down a, which is equals to 1, b, which is equals to positive 5, and c, which is equals to 1. You need to know that a is the coefficient, is the numerical coefficient of x squared, then b is the numerical coefficient of x, then c is the constant value. Right, here is our quadratic formula. X is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we need to substitute. Then we've got negative 5 plus or minus root 5 squared minus 4. Where there is a, we substitute 1. Where there is c, we also substitute 1. Then we've got 2. Where there is a, we put what? We put 1. Then we use our calculator now. Okay. We have negative 5. Just put all this thing in a calculator. Firstly, you need to put plus, then secondly, you need to put negative. Plus root 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times another 1 all over 2 times 1. Then the first x is gonna be, usually they usually say round off into 2 decimal places. Therefore, x is equals to 0, 2, 1 if you put positive, or x is equals to, if we put negative, it's gonna be x is gonna be negative 4, 7, 9. Right, let us do our next example. I hope you can see how easy this particular problem is to solve. Right, now we need to do our next problem. Let me erase this one. Right, this one is what? This one is 3x squared minus 2x is equals to 4. The first thing you need to do here is to write down this equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. By doing what? By transposing this form. Now we will have 3x squared minus 2x minus 4, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 0. Then now it's going to be easy for us to use our quadratic formula. Let us use our quadratic formula now. X is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Please make sure that your division sign also covers the negative b plus or minus. Now let us substitute. We will have our p is negative 2, then we will have negative into negative 2 plus or minus roots negative 2 squared minus 4. Where there is a, we put 3. Where there is c, we will put what? Negative 4 all over 2. Where there is a, we substitute 3. Right, therefore x is equals to, let's use our calculator. Now it's gonna be negative to negative 2 plus square root negative 2 squared minus 4. Where there is a, we put 3 times negative 4 all over 2 times 3. Then the answer is 1, 5, 4, or x is equals to, if we put negative, it's gonna be, check, if we put negative, it's gonna be, if we put negative, it's gonna be negative 0,87. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and comment if you like to comment. Goodbye.